Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee, starting out strong with this G87 M2. Such a sick car. This color is amazing. Matching Audi here. Then we got the R8. This is sick, bro. What a cool car. Spider. And here we are, we got ourselves a nice Ferrari. Let's go take a look at the front of this car. So here we are at Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee here in San Diego. Just never disappointing. Across the street. Then we got the Lotus Emira. Nice Camaro. So guys, we're at Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. Come here every week, so I'll be putting a new vlog up every week, my son or myself. And then we'll go to different cars and coffees as well. Saw this guy roll up earlier. Like, this is the best cars and coffee I've ever been to. I mean, there's just so many amazing cars. I'll take a walk here. Classic Mercedes. The colors on these, this Ferrari and this Porsche, just beautiful colors. Amazing color. Turbo white on white Porsche with the whale tail. So nice. Nice Porsche Targa. Nice Z06 here at Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. When this car came out,
Did you want to walk over and check that out?
got the V10. We got our cellar is gorgeous. All that carbon fiber. McLaren 720S. Very cool car. Color scheme is insane. Two NSX M3. Soulfire.